and good afternoon, and I welcome you on the BYJU'S channel 6th, 7th and 8th. I hope that all of you are in a good health and I hope that all of you are excited for today's class. I'm your teacher Ankita and I welcome you in today's session. Good afternoon, my champions. Yes, good afternoon everyone. Yes, how are you all? Hi Kritika, hi SA Art. Hi Amritansh, hi Harsimran, hi Akansha, Rajeshwari, Khalid, Saji, Amritansh, we have Swapnil, Siddhi, Tanishka, Apsara, Kanaji, Vishal, Gungun, Neetu, Ujjain, Priya, Harini, Deepashri. Good afternoon everyone, good afternoon, how are you all? All well? Yes, it's the Chutti time, right? I'm sure all of you have your vacations, winter vacations going on. Yes? Hi Adya. Hi Nyasa. Hi Sanjita. Hi It's, Rajeshwari, Sonakshi, Manjeet, Ananya, Deepak. So many of you are here, everyone. I have to focus and I have to look at your name. Hi Tanishk, Alicia, Tanushri, Anjali, Kritika, Manjeet, Cute Princess, Alicia, Sabha, Siddhi and Pranjal, Neetu, Rahamira. Very good, everyone. Okay, I will be calling out your names in the session, but welcome everyone to the class. I hope that all of you can see me clearly and can hear me clearly. Please do tell me if you can do that, right? I hope I'm clearly visible and audible to each one of you. Hi, Karanika. Sorry, Komalika. No, Komanika. I think I've missed just seeing your name. Yeah, I know it will be super cold in north, right? I'm good. Thank you for asking me. I hope that all of you are also good. Yes, awesome, everyone. So let's start our class, right? And of course, what we have in today's class, everyone. So in today's class, we will be discussing 4 scientific events that will be happening in the next year, which is 2023. Seems like next year, as in kuch dino mein we'll be in the next year. But yeah, we will be discussing about 4 very, very important and crucial scientific events that will be happening in the year 2023. So I hope that all of you are ready, right? And I hope that all of you are sitting with your pen and a notebook so that you can note on all the important points that we'll be discussing, right? Yes. Okay, Vandita. I know it's Amritansh. It's very, like a fridge. Hello, Anuva. Okay, so let's get started, everyone. I hope that all of you are excited. And let's get into the class, everyone. So I hope that you all have subscribed to the channel. If you're new here, please do take a moment and hit the subscribe button because no, we don't have. So it's really very important for all of us to know that you are a part of our amazing channel, right? And we feel very proud that when you say we are the part of the channel, right? And we have just crossed 50K very recently. And our next aim is 1 lakh. So yeah, you will be helping us to reach out over there. So please make sure, everyone, to hit the like button for the video and to subscribe to the channel. Moving ahead, very importantly, everyone, we have a very amazing quiz which is happening on 22nd of January. So please make sure you register for it. It's absolutely free of cost. You just need to fill the details and you could be the one who is coming here in the studio and of course meeting your teachers. And of course, you will be the next quiz master. Please make sure, everyone, yes, make sure you are registering for it. Yes, we will. Thank you, cute princess. That's the positivity we need from your side. And that's a trust that we need from your side. Harini, yes. 1 crore ek saath bhi. Bilkul, Amritansh, bilkul. So, Mohammed Quiz Master, of course, we have a quiz where, of course, we invite students, right? And they'll be coming in the studios and we'll have a quiz with them. So it's a very interesting opportunity to meet your teachers and, of course, to be on YouTube also. Okay, very good. Do that, everyone. So let's get started. Right, we always say that when we aim for moon, even if we miss it, we'll still be hitting a star, right? So everyone, the last year that we have so much in terms of the space, right? All of you would agree. We had lunar eclipse, we had solar eclipse, right? We had so much more. And of course, we have seen good events in the aerospace. The beautiful images of the James Webb Telescope. So much more is happening, not just in the physics. If we talk about the research that would happen this year for the different fields of biology and in chemistry, right? So as in all, we can say that science had a very amazing last year. But you know what? The next year that we will be stepping into will have more amazing events. So let's look over here, everyone, right? Yes? So, we'll be discussing about the 20 events that will be happening. So, over here we have the list. And of course, we have some bonuses also. So, please make sure you're staying till the end. Okay? So, we have next generation vaccination. Then we have advanced stargazing. We have this therapy. And of course, we have this particular drug for the disease Alzhemier. Yes, we will be discussing about it also. Don't worry. We will discuss about the news that we are having around the new COVID variant also. But I want all of you to stay focused, everyone. So shall we get started? Come on. Yes. Now I want all of you to stay focused. See, everyone. I know it's your chutti time, vacation chal rahe hain, but still your time is really very valuable to us. So we don't want to waste any more time, right? We don't want you to waste your time in just talking among yourselves. Let's stay focused, right? And we'll be discussing. Okay? Hello, lovely. Yes. Okay. So the first thing we are discussing about is the vaccination. Now, next generation vaccination. Now, I want you to tell me what you know about the vaccination. I'm sure all of you have studied about the vaccination, especially class 8 students, right? I'm sure you are aware that for the vaccination, right, what we do. Okay, I'm just making a bottle. Right now, oh, wait. Yes, that's how I think the bottle. Yeah, it's not that great bottle, but yeah, I'm just trying to make a bottle. Right, so we have the vaccines, right? Now, we know that in the vaccines that we have now, we add either the weak pathogen or the killed one, right? Or the one which is not alive. Yes, we add into the serum, right? And we take this vaccination. So what happens as this weakened or dead pathogens enter into our body, our immune system responds, right? We know that it will be activating our immune system, right? In our immune system, we have cells, right? Of course, we have WBCs, which will be fighting. We have different cells, right? They will be making the antibody. Yes. And at the end, we will have a memory cell. You remember all of this? Tell me. Tell me, everyone, do you remember this? Yes. Yes, we all are vaccinated. Very good. Very good. Yes. So mostly this class will be for half an hour. Yes, I know, right? Ashwara ma'am taught you this. So it's really very important, right? This we know about the vaccination. Yes, we all know that this is how the vaccination works. So these memory cells will be there in our body, and next time when the pathogen will attack, these memory cells will say, oh, you know what? I know how to defeat them. And it will be producing more cells that will be going and killing the pathogen. Yes? Everyone, are you clear with this? Very good, very good. We don't have Menti today. We don't have. But everyone, let's focus over here. Yes? So this we know. Now, this of course, we had the COVID, right? Two years down the lane, we have the mRNA vaccines. Now, as you know that, we have these vaccines. What is mRNA? Anyone would love to tell me what is mRNA? Yes, everyone? Anyone in the class? I can see you're asking what is. So, mRNA is messenger, ribo, right? Nucleic acid. Okay? Yes, RNA is the ribonucleic acid. Absolutely correct. Is a ribonucleic acid. Yes. So we know that we have DNA. How many of you know that we have DNA? Yes, everyone. How many of you know that we have DNA in our cells, right? We have DNA in our cells. Yes? Very good. So this DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid. It has double helix, right? It has double strand. And it has all the genetic information that we have in our body, right? That gives us the characteristic features, how our body works, etc., etc. To make an mRNA or the messenger ribonucleic acid, what we do, not we do, what our cells do, this DNA will open itself, right? It will open itself and it will have two strands. Can you see? Strand 1 and strand 2. Everyone, are you following this? Right? I hope that all of you are getting. See, DNA make its copy by replication. Right? To replicate, it will be opening itself. Right? And we have two strands. Now, you know what happens? The magic happens. We have various enzymes that actually act and it will make a copy of this one. And it will make a copy of this one. So, what we will have the copy of this particular DNA strand and we'll have a copy of this. This single strand is called as messenger RNA. Single strand is called as the RNA, right? Now, this, of course, there are different types of RNA also. This over here, when we have it, and of course, it has a role, we call it as a messenger RNA. Are we clear, everyone? Yes, are we clear up to here? Come on, I think this is easy peasy. We are going really very slowly. We are getting into the layers of biology. Right? Very good. Yes, okay. Now that we are clear with this messenger RNA is used to make the vaccines. Yes, now what happens when we have these vaccines, right? Now, especially in the COVID case, everyone, right? Let's talk about can you see this virus? Can you see this virus over here? That's very good, Aditya. Very good, very good. Yes. Can you see this vaccine virus, right? It has spikes. You remember the COVID virus also had these spikes? Yes? Right? So, you know what this mRNA vaccine did? They basically made a messenger RNA. They studied the virus. They studied the virus genomes. They studied the details of the virus gene and they made a mRNA, right? Which when entered into the human cell will actually make the spikes. Okay? Are we clear? So this messenger RNA, when injected through the vaccine, will go to our cells and will tell our cells to make the spikes. Clear? And that's how when these spikes are there, our body knows that there's something foreign, right, inside the body and it will fight. And in the future when the real virus will come, we already have some memory cells that will be able to fight. Are we clear, everyone? Yes, that's how the mRNA vaccines work. In this, over here we are talking about the example of COVID, right? The coronavirus that we had. Clear, everyone? I know if you're in 6th class, it might be difficult for you, but just whatever you can understand it, try to take that information with you. Yes, everyone, are we clear? Yes, yes? Yes, I will give you a summary. Okay. Let's talk about it, everyone, over here. Yes. See, we have this, right? So, we have these two companies who made it. Please take a note of this, right? They made this, right? Okay. Now, let's talk about this. mRNA vaccine. Yes, I'm revising, everyone. Let's focus. So, we know that usually vaccines will have the dead or the weakened pathogens. In this case, right, in the case of mRNA, in the vaccine or in the liquid that we have, what will happen? We will have this mRNA that will go into our cells and will tell our cells to produce the spikes, the spike protein. Clear, everyone? The spikes that we have, right? The spikes that we have around the COVID virus, coronavirus, right? So this mRNA messenger, it will take the message to the cells and it will say that, you know what, cell? You have to make these spike proteins. The cell will say, okay, I will follow your instruction, and it will make those spike proteins. And as the spike proteins are there in the body, our body will say, attack, we have something really very harmful in the body. But as these spikes are really not that harmful, our body will have our immune response. And in the future, when the real virus will come, our body will know that because of the spikes which are there, right? Of course, this virus will have the spikes. Our body will say, you know what? I know how to tackle you. I know how to attack you, and the memory cells will go and will have the immune response. Are we clear? Yes, everyone, are we clear? Yes, very good. Yes. Very good, very good. Okay, I can see you're asking about what is the difference between a bacteria and a virus, right? So bacteria and virus are basically the microorganisms, right? We know that these are the microorganisms. Now bacteria, right, is a single cell unicellular organism, and it has its genetic material suspended outside, right? Now whereas virus, right, has a coat, has an outer coat, and it is non-living outside the body. So in my surrounding, there will be different types of viruses, right? But it's non-living. The moment it enter into my body, it becomes living. That's the main difference between any microorganism and the virus. Are we clear? Yes, are we clear, everyone? Yes, very good, Aditya. Yes. Very good, everyone. Yes, Harsimran, we have something for physics also. Yes, we have some physics events also. Very good, everyone. So that's about the messenger RNA vaccine. In this year also, we will see that there will be more development of the vaccines, mRNA vaccines, not just for COVID, but for the various other diseases like malaria, tuberculosis, right, herpes, and the shingles, right? So, of course, till now we have developed the vaccine, mRNA vaccine for the COVID. But now the scientists are working on the other diseases also. Very good. Ma'am, why there are cases that after the vaccination, some people also get the COVID-19. Acute princess bache, they will get the vaccine. They will get the disease. Yes, they will get the disease. So what will happen the next time when they're getting, the impact will not be that harmful. See, I'm sure all of you got those measles vaccine and the chickenpox vaccine when you were tiny. When I think you were about 6 months old, you can ask your parents. I'm sure you would have gotten that vaccine. Yes? Very good, everyone. Yes, very good. Yes, the memory cells will fight. Okay, so please make sure, right? Just talk to your parents about it. They will tell you, okay, ha, you got that vaccine. I know you might not remember, but you can ask your parents, right? It gives you a defense mechanism. Yes? Very good. So what will happen as it enters into the body? We have our defense mechanism and we fight. Okay? Germs, Satya Prakash, are those tiny organism that causes disease. Microorganisms, germs, we always in a germs. Yes. Okay. Yes. 1 minute, everyone. Yes, Prachi, it's basically chicken pox. Reactivation of the chicken pox, as we say. Okay? Yes. Migresh and Prachi. Yes. Hi, Diksha. Clear? Very good. Okay. Clear, everyone? So, are we clear with this? Herpes, right? It is also a disease that is caused, right? And to fight that also, we have the vaccine. It could be. It's usually single cell organism. Okay? Yes. There are different types of disease and scientists will be working on it. Okay, everyone. Are we clear? Everyone, are we clear with this? Very good, very good. Yes. Chickenpox, so basically chickenpox is caused by the virus, and what happens? We have blisters on the skin. Throughout the body will have the blisters and it will go within like 15 days, right? And it is actually, it is a, it's an infectious disease. So from one individual to another, it can easily, it can easily pass through the air, through the direct contact also. Yes. Bablu, so basically, it's a type of, it's basically the chicken pox. Yes, it's a chicken pox. Herpes is again a type of the disease basically caused by the virus. Pathogens are the disease causing microorganisms. Yes, very good everyone. DIY blogger, what are you asking? Okay, let's not believe in any of the rumors, right? Okay, now let's talk about the current situation that we have. Okay, everyone, I'm sure you would have seen in the newspaper about the new variant coming, right? And still, it will be very wrong from our side to just believe anything and everything that is coming from the answer. Yes, from anywhere. No, we don't have any vaccine for the cancer. As of now, so cancer does not have a cure. There have other treatments. There are small vaccines that will be helping in the body mechanism. But there is no one specific vaccine that can cure cancer. Okay, lovely? So very important thing, everyone. Very important thing. Please do not believe any rumor which you are hearing, right? So definitely as the new variant is around, there's one thing that we have to do for sure is to make sure we are, using the mask again, washing our hands properly. The small things that we were doing earlier also, right? The thing that actually we can do. Yes? Bablu, that's a chicken pox, bache. Herpes, Diksha. So basically, it is a disease caused by the virus, usually affect the genitals of the individuals. Okay, the reproductive organs. Yes, Amritansh, yes. Okay, so again, there's no much information as of now on the given by the scientists, so let's not believe on random rumors. But one important thing, let's just stay calm. Follow all the, protective measures or preventive measures that we were doing and we were following before the things become a little bit more normal. Social distancing is definitely one of them, right? The less number of people you are meeting, the more protected you are in a way. Yes, very good, very good. So as a science student, I would say that we just have to believe the science is there, and of course the scientists will do their part, we have to do our part. Let's hope the things are not getting way out of control, right? And the things are intact with us. Okay, everyone, are we clear? Come on. Tuberculosis, it's a disease, bache. Deepashri. Pancreas is a gland that we have in the body. Yes. Deepashri, it is a disease caused by the bacteria. Okay. Okay, everyone, let's move ahead. Very good. Okay, now let's move over to the next event, everyone. Everyone focus back. Now we are going from the bio to the another beautiful physics, right? I know you had many space events over here. We are now looking into this, right? So the last year, of course, we have beautiful images from the James Webb Space Telescope, right? I'm sure all of you remember this. Come on. I can see without the specs, but the chat become a little bit blur. I can see. Marshmallow. Yes. Yes, Nebula. Absolutely correct. We had such beautiful images coming. And then we feel that, wow, our universe is so amazing, right? this actually gave us an insight of the different images, right? How many of you remember about this image? Tell me. Yes? About this beautiful peaks that we have over here. Yes? Right? So, this year also we have so much more. This year also we are expecting that we will see amazing images because the telescope is up there again. Right? It's there, basically it's there already. So, we'll get more images this year. Some of the major images that we have this year was these, right? And of course, we'll get more and more clarity on the space and how it is over there and what is happening around our galaxy and of course what is happening in the universe. Universe is such a big thing, right? But we have started to explore it slowly we'll have so much more. Apart from the solar system, we will be moving ahead and let's see what we'll see. I know, yes, Marshmallow, you can. Come on, if you become a scientist in astrophysics, you will be able to. So aim for that. Right? Now, apart from that, we have some interesting news for all of you. Right? So we have this illicit space telescope that is developed by the European agency ESA. Okay? So it's European Space Agency and this will be going around the sun. Okay? It'll be going around the sun for 6 years and it'll be taking the pictures. Okay? Remember this. So this will be happening in the year 2023. Very big news, right? And excuse me. There is some more important technology and development happening in Japan also. So there's an Earth orbiting mission, of course, with the X-ray also. Yes, very good, right? So we'll have amazing things, everyone, in terms of the physics also. Please make sure you watch all these sessions with physics. Saurabh sir, right? Because I'm sure Saurabh sir will be giving you more insight on the events that will be happening. And you know that we will be there. We will be discussing amazing things which are happening around us in the next year also. We did it this year and we will be doing it next year. So please stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, now let's talk about this. Yes, I know. I can see so many lovers of the universe and for the space. Nice, very good, Deepashri. Yes, it is. It is very large, Satya, for sure. But let's see the technology, if we can do something. Maybe we can take images of the... We have the images of the nearby, neighboring galaxies that we say. Very good. फिर bio हो गया. Yes. So we have this over here. Now I'm sure. Now you have discussed, I'm sure you have heard about it. But this is very important technology where we're discussing about the genes, right? Gene therapies, everyone. Gene editing therapies. So C stands for the clusters, regular, interspace, short, palindromic, repeat. So we know that in our DNA, right, we have these sequence. Yes? I'm sure all of you are aware about, right? So in our DNA, we have these sequence. A small fragment, let's suppose the one that gives you the eye color is called as gene. Right? We have genes. So I can see that many of you are asking what are genes. So genes are the small fragments. Right? They're the small fragments that are present on the DNA that give us traits or the characteristic features. For example, everyone, my hair color is black. Your hair colors are also black. My eye color is black. Maybe yours is brownish, grayish, greenish, bluish. That color of the eye, right, is coming from the gene. Basically, that is controlled by a gene. So, for example, we have different types of genetic disorder. For example, if we know that an individual has some difficulty in a gene. So let me ask you everyone. Let's suppose we have this, right? Can you see this red part? Tell me everyone, can you see this red part? Yes or no? Yes, can you see this? Yours is pink, wow. Everyone, can you see this? red part, right? So let's suppose that this is a error. Basically, this is a gene which is causing the disease. Now, what if I tell you, with the technology that we have right now, we can actually correct this. We can actually cut this small portion of gene, right? And we can actually make the correction. What do you think? Yes? Just imagine, right? So this is something that we are talking about, gene editing, gene therapies, right? So basically changing the genome, right? See, this is just the beginning. I would not say this is happening. This is a future that we have. If we can do this, just imagine the genetic diseases we have in our surrounding, right? We can actually cure them. There are diseases like Alzhemier, right? Where, of course, the blood, the gene that is there, right, is not working properly. Yes, there are various diseases that we have, sickle cell anemia, genetic disorders. If we can correct them, it will be the greatest gift to the humanity, right? Though now it is very expensive, but in the future, if we have good progress, it can be reduced to a normal amount. Yes. So this is the future, everyone, and this is what we have over here. So, of course, they have generated these therapies. They did these therapies for the sickle cell anemia and thalassemia, right, of these genetic disorders. And this year also, they will be working on different therapies, especially targeting the genes. Yes, very good, Marshmallow. There are so many genetic diseases that we have. And we can definitely cure them. What is the size of a DNA? What do you think? It's really very tall. Very, very long. Yes, we are developing a lot. There is no as such color of a DNA. I think it will be colorless. Very good. Yes, everyone. So we are clear with this, right? Now let's talk more about the Alzheimer's disease. Now, how many of you are aware about what is an Alzheimer's? This is a disease, right? I'm sure you would have heard about it. Alzheimer's. Yes? हाँ, because bio में इस साल बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. Okay. So Alzheimer's, yes, very good, Amritansh. So it's a disease that occurred in the individuals, right? And what happens that as there's growing age, what we see that the brain will be losing its memory, right? The thinking will become really very slow. The memory will just fade away. Yes, the memory will just fade away and the person will have difficulty in remembering things around. Now, definitely, this disease, now especially when we talk about it, we have so much information about it. Now, we all know that brain is a very special organ, right? Brain is a very special organ. But there are times, right, that this organ can also get affected. Yes, bhulne ki bimari, absolutely correct. Yes, very good. Yes. Absolutely, absolutely. So what we know over here, the brain is kind of degrading, right? And it's completely irreversible. It's moved to the one generation to the next generation also. So it cannot be cured by any medicine, and there are a lot of research which is happening, right? But there are no scientific proper medicines we can say that will be helping in the reversing this disease. We cannot do that. Yes. Yes. Okay, Harsimran, yes. Okay? क्यों अपने ही दोस्त को ऐसे बोल रहे हो? Okay. So we have this, right? And of course, this year, the US, basically in the US, there is a lot of regulation happening on the drugs that will be targeting on the brain, right? And that's how they'll be trying to tackle it. Let's hope that we have some medicine this year, because researchers are doing the research, and of course scientists believe that maybe this year we will have some medicine. So let's keeping our fingers crossed, everyone. that will be a very great breakthrough in the biology. Yes? Okay, everyone. Yes, yes, yes. So I hope that all of you have hit the like button. We still have some bonus tips, everyone. Everyone, how many hit like button we have? Yes. Okay, now it's time for the bonuses, right? Here we have the bonus. Okay, let's see what we have. Right, so of course, okay, 1 minute, I think there's some. So we have 3 bonus information, everyone. Ta-da! Ta-da! And here we have. So the world first nuclear waste storage facility will be having really very soon. So we know that we use nuclear, right? And of course the waste is being dumped directly into the ocean. Now we know that the nuclear waste is definitely harmful. Yes or no? What do you think about nuclear waste? Yes? We know that it's really very harmful. If we leave the nuclear waste just like there in the public, it will be hampering the the surrounding. It will be hampering the biodiversity that we have. So we will be having a special facility to dump the nuclear waste, right? So over here, it is there in the Finland, right? And of course, we will see that this will be getting operational this year. So it will be great, everyone, right? So it will be containing all the harmful UV radiation that can affect the biodiversity and the people. So this is very good thing that is happening this year. Yes. Now the next thing, right? We usually have an average shower, right, of the meteoroids, right? But of course, this year we might see the very peak of it. We will have lots and lots of showers. So please make sure you go and watch them, right? And I'm really excited. When there's any time when they mention, right, there's a meteor showers, you go out, when you see all of it, it's very difficult to keep a track of all of it. How many have you seen this year? How many of you have seen the shower this year? Yes. Shower, right? Such an interesting name they have given us. So they will tell. So what happened that it's not that every time it will be visible in our country, but there are times when it is visible and we can definitely watch them in the night. Yes, so please make sure to follow us because we'll be telling you, and of course to follow the news because on that also you will be able to find it. Yes, it's really very beautiful. And then they have then of course we have the last event that we have over here. The NASA Uncrew Orion capsule, right? It came over here, and of course we have more missions that we have this year planned for the moon. So we have third moon exploring mission that will be happening from our side, India. So much more. Simran, we will share the dates with you for sure. Right? We will have the dates and of course we'll share it with you. Yes. So everyone, so we have so much more. See, these are the things we as of now. And there are a few more that we'll be discussing in future also. But we have a great list of the events that will be happening this year. And that just makes all the scientists that is there inside you super happy. I am very excited, right? This year also we'll have Nobel Prizes in medicines. So I am really excited to see the good research done by the scientists, right? Not in just biology, but in physics and in chemistry also. So everyone, please make sure, you are following all of this if you want to be a part of the scientific community. These are all a great information that we have. We will give you the dates before it's happening. You will definitely know because we will be coming up with a session or we'll have a shot on the video. Shot on the channel, sorry. Yes! Yes, everyone. So with this, I would end the session. Please make sure you're writing in the comment section below, right? And tell us which of these events you want to witness it, right? And of course, which of these is one of your favorite event that will be happening next year. Simran, the BYJU'S plan for the next year. We will tell you the next year only. Yes? Sunil, we will let you know, bache. Right? We will let you know when the meteor shower is happening. We will definitely tell you so you can watch it. Okay? Yes, everyone. So please make sure you're hitting the like button. And please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Apart from that, we have this English speaking class, spoken class, right? Please make sure to join these classes. It's a 2-month paid course where we have amazing teachers that will be helping you to build up your English and will help you to speak in English with so much confidence. Please make sure you join that class. And everyone, please write in the comment section and please tell us that which of these even is your favorite. Please make sure to watch all of this amazing playlist that we have created for you. And as we always say, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Yes, Marshmallow, we have the schedule on the community post. You have it, bache. You have it, okay? So if you have subscribed, you will be able to go in the community post and you will be able to see the plan for the day. Okay, everyone, please do write in the comment section. I know you are telling me over here. It will be great if you write in the comment section below. And you tell us that which video you want us to do in more detail. So you know that when you say something, we make sure that we do it. So please make sure you write in the comment section your favorite even and which video you want us to do. Done? Bye everyone. Lots of love. Please make sure you're subscribing to the channel. And please make sure to hit the like button and share with your friends. With lots of love everyone. We'll meet tomorrow. Keep on learning with BYJU'S and do take care of yourself. Ta-da!